This tutorial video is going to walk through how to edit your organization properties or add your organization properties if you have just signed up with Driftscape. To start, make sure you are logged into the Driftscape CMS using your login credentials. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Org Properties menu, which is located in the top menu. Inside of the Organization Properties page, we're going to find the organization that we want to edit the properties of. You can edit both your main organizations as well as your sub-organizations. We're going to go ahead and edit our primary organization. First, we have the name. This is the title of your organization. Typically, this doesn't change. However, you can edit this at any time. This is going to allow you to this is going to appear as the title of your organization across all POIs and content inside of the Driftscape application. You can also update and edit the description of your organization. This allows you to change anything that shows the description of this organization, typically under your menus and when they pull up your organization details. Along with this, you can edit the name sorting. So if, let's say your organization is named Visit Driftscapeville, and you have several sub-organizations under this that use the term visit or use the term eat beforehand or something of that nature. You can change what Driftscape uses as the sorting of this organization. By that I mean, instead of being Visit Driftscapeville inside of the organization menus and the category menus, you could show up as Driftscapeville. This way, anybody that's looking for Driftscapeville will be able to find this alphabetically in the D section instead of alphabetically in the V section. Below this, we have our custom menu editor. There's a full tutorial video walking you through this, so we are going to ignore this for now. Our micro region notification text is enabled if you have a micro region enabled with your organization. If you do, you can edit what a user gets notified for or notified by when they enter this micro region. So we could say something like, "Welcome to Driftscapeville." As soon as a user in the application enters your micro region, they will see this message appear in their application. Your icon displays beside POIs inside of list view, as well as inside of POIs throughout the application. You can change or edit this however you'd like. We recommend uploading an SVG file. These are typically provided for you when your Driftscape account is set up or created in collaboration with your team. However, if you want to replace this, simply choose File and upload the desired replacement file. Your map icon should look very similar to your icon, and this appears inside of the Driftscape map mode, marking all of your different POIs, events, and tours. You can choose a file, or you can create a map icon using the icon that you've entered above. Creating a map icon using the icon entered above will simply take this icon, paste it onto the map icon, and use a color that matches that icon, if this makes sense. Lastly, you have your tour stop icon. This is the icon that appears listing all of the different tour stops inside of a tour in the Driftscape app. Typically, you would want to edit this based off of the colors that you have in your icon and map icon. You can go ahead and set these using this simple editor. Please make sure to remember that the tour stop numbers are always white. So you do not want to have the tour stop icon circle to be white as well. Otherwise, they will not show up inside the application. Your logo can be updated at any time. Anytime your logo gets updated or refreshed, simply come to this section here, choose the new file, and upload it. This is similar with your default image. Your default image appears at any point where there's no image, and there should be for a POI. This one will appear instead. You can upload or delete this and change this at any time. You can also add an access key to your organization. To add an access key, simply type in the password that you want to add. We're going to use password. And we can add access key text. This is the hint. Oh, and I spelled password wrong. Password. It's password. Now, if the user tries to view your organization, they will see the access key text, its password, and be prompted to enter the access key. Only add this to an organization if you want to hide the organization and all of its content from users in the application. Only users that enter this access key will be able to see your content under this organization if you are using an access key. To keep your content fully public, delete that, make sure they're blank. Once you've edited all the properties that you wish to change or add, simply click the update button at the very bottom of the page. The page will refresh, and your new content will now be visible inside of the application.